In this video, we're going to do two geometric constructions involving angles. So first, we're going to be given an angle, and we want to construct another angle that's congruent to the given angle. Then next, we're going to be given an angle, and we want to construct the bisector of the given angle. Okay, so first, we're given this angle RST, and we want to construct an angle that's congruent to this angle. So what we're first going to do is draw a line segment at any orientation, or draw a ray. This is going to be one side of the congruent angle, and there's going to be the vertex. So let's say the congruent angle is going to be in PQ, so this will be P. So we're constructing angle, we have angle RST, and we want to construct the congruent angle in PQ. All right, so first what we're going to do is we're going to take a compass, and again, you could do this with a mechanical compass on actual paper as well. All right, put the center of the compass at the vertex of the given angle, and we just want to make an arc that goes through both sides of the given angle. And just so we can keep track of what we're doing, we'll name these points H and G. Okay, now we're going to, without changing the radius is fixed, with what we just used here to draw this arc GH, we're going to move the compass to the vertex of the angle we're constructing, and then draw an arc that goes through PQ here, and then definitely passes through the would-be second side. So we can see the angle is going to be, the other side is going to be somewhere around here. So we drew the arc long enough, and we'll call this point K. All right, next, we're going to take the compass, put the center at point G here, and now we're going to adjust the radius to where it passes through point H, and make another arc here just so we can verify it's going through point H. Okay, now with that radius fixed, we bring the center of the compass to point K and draw an arc going through this first arc. And that intersection point is where the second side is going to pass through. And there's N. And there we go. This angle NPQ is congruent to RST. And notice how it's not like we had to have the orientation of the starting lines be the same. It doesn't matter. Okay, so now next, let's construct the angle bisector to angle RST. So what we're trying to do here is construct ray SP so that angle RSP is congruent to angle PST, right? That's what we're trying to do. We want to put some ray here, ray SP, so that angle RSP is congruent to angle PST. But we want to do this as accurate and precise as possible using geometric constructions. All right, we're going to start by taking a compass, putting the center at the vertex, and setting the radius, somewhere to where it's less than R and T, and it doesn't matter what the radius is, just something like this, and then draw an arc that passes through both sides. And again, just so we can keep track of what we're doing, we'll name these points. We'll say this is M and this is N. Okay, next we're going to take the compass and put the center at either one of these 2 points. We'll start here. Okay, now we can change the radius to whatever we want. And what we're going to do, just something like this, let's say, but now we're going to fix the radius and then just draw an arc to where it's just like in the middle of angle RST over here. passes through this central region here. Enough to where, without changing the radius is fixed, we put the center over here and draw another arc that intersects that first arc. Okay, and then with that, we connect the vertex S to that intersection point with just a ray going through that point. And that's it. That you can put point, we can make this point P, it doesn't matter. There's ray SP. This bisects angle RST. Pretty cool.